can check this by the following. If you have an equation like this, x minus a, this could also be written as x to the power of 0 minus a. X to the power of 0 minus a. And when you have x to the power of 0 minus a, this could further be written as x to the power of 0 divided by x to the power of a. And you know, when you are dividing, what you should usually have is, when you are dividing, what you usually have is x to the power of 0 all over x to the power of a. But we know that in indices, anything raised to power 0 is 1. In indices, any base number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So from this equation, from the above equation, let's term it equation 1. From the above equation 1, x to the power of 0 all over xa is equals to, be the s to the power 0 is 1, is equals to 1 all over 1 all over xa. I don't know if you understand this properly. Is equals to x all over a to the power of a. So if you have an equation as this, so if you have an equation as this, such as this, x minus power of a is same thing as 1 all over x all over a. This is proven from this check I just did. It's proven from it, from the check I did. So also we have another law of indices, law number 4. Law number 4 states that y states that x over y with an inverse index, this is same thing as y all over x. This is just a reverse. This was x all over y to the power of minus 1. But what you resolve to have is y all over s. You see that because of this, because of the fact that it's raised to the power of minus 1, you now have an inverse. There is an inverse. An inverse of this expression will be the resolve, will be the solution for this equation. An inverse of this expression will be the solution. This is the inverse. Here in the question you have x all over y raised to the power of minus 1. But the solution is y all over s. That is the solution. But I know as time goes on, as we study further, you people will be able to understand me properly. As we study further with examples, you will understand what indices truly is. Then law number 5, the fifth law. The fifth law. The fifth law. The fifth law states that x to the power of 0 is equals to what? Is equals to 1, provided